Hello, today in front of me I have REALME Narzo 50i Prime smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can enable the separate number row at the top section of your keyboard on this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you want to either tap on this gear icon and head straight for the keyboard settings, or you can also launch the general settings app. Then enter the system category, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page you want to go for the preferences, and in here all that it's left to do is to turn on this number row toggle, and that will essentially mean that, as you can see now, you have successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.